Ever wished your PC could rock that cool Mac vibe without the price tag? Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk safety. Running macOS on a Windows computer, known as a Hackintosh, is not officially supported by Apple and comes with legal and technical risks. So this is for educational purposes only. There are two main ways to get macOS Sequoia on your PC. The easy way, set up a virtual machine using free tools like VirtualBox or VMware. Just grab a macOS Sequoia ISO file, follow the setup guide, and you're Mac-curious in minutes. No hardware changes needed. The hard way? Build a full Hackintosh. This route needs compatible hardware, special bootloaders like OpenCore, a bootable USB installer, and some serious patience. Expect a few headaches with drivers, features, or updates. Bottom line, if you want to play it safe, stick to a virtual machine. If you're feeling adventurous, research your hardware and follow guides closely. And remember, sometimes the real magic is in the challenge.